Statsproblems.com was used to create this tutorial, which can help us calculate the area outside two means in a sample mean distribution. Let's begin by selecting one of the 25 example problems. The question appears in the blue box. A set of scores is normally distributed. Population mean, mu, is 113. Standard deviation of population scores, sigma sub x, is 22. Sample size, n, is 16. In a sample mean distribution, what is the proportion of means outside a mean x bar 1 of 104 and a mean x bar 2 of 124? Let's step through the solution by clicking on the Next Step button. In Step 1, we calculate the standard error of the mean. The standard error of the mean, sigma sub x bar, is equal to the standard deviation of the population scores, sigma sub x, divided by the square root of the sample size, n. In this example, the standard error of the mean equals 22 divided by the square root of 16, which works out to 22 divided by 4, which works out to 5.5. In Step 2, we calculate the z-score of the lower mean. The z-score equals x bar 1 minus the population mean, mu, divided by the standard error of the mean, sigma sub x bar. In this example, the z-score equals 104 minus 113, divided by 5.5, which works out to negative 9 divided by 5.5, which works out to negative 1.636. Our table uses z-scores with 0.05 between entries, so we round the z-score of negative 1.636 to negative 1.65. In Step 3, we calculate the z-score of the higher mean. The z-score equals x bar 2 minus the population mean, mu, divided by the standard error of the mean, sigma sub x bar. In this example, the z-score equals 124 minus 113, divided by 5.5, which works out to 11 divided by 5.5, which works out to 2. In Step 4, we find the area outside the two z-scores. To find the area, we use Table 6, finding areas under the normal curve outside z-scores. First we click on the entry for z equals negative 1.65, which highlights in blue the area of 0.049, which is the area below the lower z-score of negative 1.64. Next, we click on the entry for z equals 2, which highlights in green the area of 0.023, which is the area above the z-score of 2. The area outside the z-scores is the area below of 0.049 plus the area above of 0.023, which works out to 0.072. We close this window to return to the analysis, which shows the lookup table with the below area of 0.049 and the above area of 0.023 and the area outside of 0.072. With a population mean of 113 and a population standard deviation of 22, and a sample size of 16, the area outside a mean of 104 and a mean of 124 is 0.072. In addition to the 25 example problems, we can work step by step through an unlimited number of new problems using the Generate button. The Edit Data button can help us create problems with customized input. Instructors can use this function to create problems with complete solutions to use on exams, in class, or for homework. For printed output, we can print the question. Or we can print the question with the complete solution. The free website has statistical analyses in all of the most common areas in statistics. Statsproblems.com also has a mobile version so you can access the site from anywhere. For help with statistical concepts, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. In addition, HelpMeWithStats.com gives you free access to a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share Statsproblems.com and HelpMeWithStats.com with your friends and instructors.